Okay, so I finally got my hands on a Sketchboard Pro. I know a lot of people are asking, are there any tools out there for your neck pain when you're drawing or illustrating on the iPad? Well, I've been wanting to get my hands on one of these and I finally did. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So let me pull it up here. Let me pull these little handles down and turn it around. And here is what the Sketchboard Pro looks like. I actually got the white version, but it comes in black as well. So if you want to order the white Sketchboard Pro, the thing is you're going to have to install this black silicone cradle. They will give you the upgrade kit and then they'll give you instructions as well. And I'll tell you guys right now, I didn't use any of these instructions. It was actually really easy to put together. And they give you these a little screwdriver and some screws to screw in the cradle. And the cool thing is that they give you all of the screws plus an extra one just in case you lose one, because they're really tiny, as you can see here. A really tiny little screwdriver. And I really like that they give you a tool just in case, because I don't carry tools in my office. And then of course we have the regular manual for the Sketchboard Pro. And like I said, I didn't use this either. Using the Sketchboard Pro is actually pretty straightforward. So let's dive into the range of features that the Sketchboard Pro offers to enhance the drawing experience. The first thing you'll notice is that it comes with 4 fold-out legs. You can fold out 2 legs to draw in landscape mode or portrait mode. And then the magnetic cradle I installed keeps the iPad nice and safely locked into place. The Sketchboard Pro measures at 19.5 by 17 inches and is roughly 4.5 pounds in weight. Like I mentioned before, the white model does require some assembly since it's the newer of the models, but the great thing is if you upgrade iPads, you can purchase an upgrade kit for when you change your iPad sizes. My experience so far has been a great one. I can comfortably draw without having any neck pain or headaches. The Sketchboard has really improved my drawing experience on the iPad. I also have to mention that my Apple Pencil fits inside the cradle even with the protective sleeve on. I'm really impressed that they really thought about that. So many artists use protective sleeves now. And I would say though, if you are using a bulky sleeve, it won't fit, but that goes for even regular iPad cases. And let's not forget, you can even charge your iPad while drawing and using the Sketchboard Pro. And I love that because my iPad's always dying because I'm always using it. As you can see here, there's this little portion here, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can easily just insert your charger into the iPad Pro using the Sketchboard Pro. So I'm gonna flip this on over. On the back here, this is where we will be inserting the charging cable. So I'll just grab my cord over here and I'm going to place it into the charging slot, just kind of sliding it in there. And then I'll just flip my board over. It looks like this, and then we can kind of fit it in there. And then I'll just snap it in. And with that, you can charge your iPad while you're drawing on your iPad. And lastly, in terms of pricing, the Sketchboard Pro for the iPad, the white edition, is on sale right now for $116, and then the regular black version is $129. So remember, the black Sketchboard Pro does not require any assembly, but the white Sketchboard Pro does. Okay, so after using the Sketchboard Pro, I would say it is amazing. I literally don't have any neck pain. It's, propped up so that I don't have to deal with that or any headaches. And it has enough spacing around it, so that way I can, rest my arms on to the sides of it, onto the white area. And it fits perfectly for my iPad Pro 12.9 inch. I absolutely love the Sketchboard Pro. To be honest, when I first opened it, I was a little skeptical, mostly because of the additional assembly, but that turned out to be a breeze. And using the Sketchboard Pro definitely improves the drawing experience. Overall, thoughts and feelings, I definitely think you guys should check it out. Especially if you're having neck issues or headaches from working on the iPad. I constantly get them from working on the iPad directly on a flat surface or my lap, so I definitely recommend checking out the Sketchboard Pro if you do encounter those issues. I will 10 out of 10 recommend this product, the Sketchboard Pro. Definitely check it out. I'll add a link in the description in case you guys are interested in it. And yeah, let me know you guys' thoughts. Have you guys tried it? Have you guys tried other iPad stands for illustrators and artists? Especially if you're an artist like myself, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this product. But for now, I'll get back to drawing on my iPad using the Sketchboard Pro while avoiding any headaches. And my final recommendation is the Sketchboard Pro is definitely the way to go.